What is the name of the world's largest salt lake? Caspian Sea. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Africa. Largest peninsula of the world is Arabia. Largest mountain range in the world by length? Andes, which is located in South America. What is the name of largest Gulf of the world? Gulf of Mexico. Which country is the world's largest landlocked country? Kazakhstan. What is the oldest name of the Netherlands? Holland. Flag of which country has a temple on it? Cambodian flag. Who was the first black president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999? Is Nelson Mandela. UN has recognized how many official languages? 6. Biggest cold desert in the world is Antarctica Desert. Old name of Taiwan is Formosa. Which language has most number of speakers? Mandarin Chinese. Country that have most number of official languages? India. Total number of projects under One Belt One Road initiative? 6 projects. Statistical study of human population is called demography. Greenwich Mean Time is the standard time for UK. Pakistan Standard Time is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, plus 5 hours. Hockey was inducted in Asian Games in Tokyo, which is the city of Japan, in 1958. Pakistan won how many blind cricket World Cups? 2. Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in which year? February 2004. Who was the first Pakistani to be awarded with a Nobel Prize? Abdus Salam. Which organization focus on protecting the heritage of different historically and culturally significant sites in the world? UNESCO is the correct answer. Which country has the world's largest ambulance service in the world? Pakistan. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Saddam Hussein was the president of which country? Iraq. Most populous city of the world is Tokyo, which is the city of country Japan. Highest military award of Pakistan? Nishan-e-Haider. Flag of which country bear maple leaf on it? Canadian flag. Paris is located on the bank of which river? Seine. Largest forest of the world is Amazon. Amazon is located in South America. Its major portion is located in Brazil country. What is the approximate age of moon? 4.53 billion years. World busiest seaport is Shanghai, China. Astolla Island is located in which country? Pakistan, near the Balochistan coast. Gibson Desert is located in which continent? Australia. Ring of Fire is situated in which ocean? Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean of the world. World largest freshwater lake is Lake Superior. Which ocean is the deepest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Another name of K2 is Godwin Austen. In the local language of Kashmir, it is also known as Chugori. World highest waterfall is Angel Fall, which is located in Venezuela. Largest country of the world by area. Russia. Thar Desert is located in Sindh, which is the province of Pakistan. Berlin Wall is located in East Germany. Golden Temple is located in which country? India. Tirthar National Park is located in which province of Pakistan? Sindh. Old name of Sri Lanka is Ceylon. Texla was the capital city of which civilization? The answer is Gandhara civilization. Member state of SAARC with highest literacy rate? Maldives. Santo, originally known as Baghdad Pact. How many member states of OIC are? 57.